Hey guys, let's go and explore Kampala together on foot. That's my tour guide, Steve.
We're gonna explore the beauty of Kampala. Kampala is a pretty chaotic city, but of course we're gonna observe the historical landmarks right in the city. And we are right on one of the prestigious university in Uganda, Makerere, the biggest, #1 and 5th in the all of Africa. It's gonna be pretty interesting and pretty fun.
Good job, Steve. This bird is called marabstop.
Yeah, marabstop.
It's so huge, eh?
Yeah, and the reason why the university is called the Makerere, it is because of the noise we are produced by those big birds.
Oh,
Makerere means noise.
noise maker. I want to catch them flying. Places you will find out that it's only just maybe one area. From the school. He must be tiny, like a year.
Because
You're so huge. Steve says this is called a ibis. Look at the plumes. Ooh. This is how they put the announcement. It's on the ground. Kurdish carpet. So I left everything and just brought one carpet with me home.
wasn't it very expensive to be transplanted?
The what? No, because you have like 50 kg. Food stall, and we got Rolex and Fogato. That's 10,000. This is Fogato. Wait, we're gonna open it. This is served cold.
This is actually delicious.
Also to the migrating
We're going to what slum?
Katanga slum.
Katanga slums. Okay, what? Welcome to Uganda, Kampala.
For the border, it is very chaotic, but of course you can enjoy it.
We're at the East African Craft Market. Yeah. traditional fans. Oh, the king of Uganda. Here's the big bird again. This is the monument at the back of the 5,000 shillings. Oh my gosh. Independence. Independence Monument. When was your independence?
1962.
Oh. There's the monument.
Uganda became
It's in every Ugandan money, you said?
absolutely every shilling.
Every shilling. Steve has a mask. He just took it up for this video. Thank you. Ooh, so much. What do you call it? Looks like cactus. What's this for?
Cactus.
Cactus. For juice.
Green juice.
Wow.
Diabetes, cleansing, like that.
And that one?
Aloe vera.
Oh, those are giant aloe veras. And that one?
That is cinnamon.
Oh, that's cinnamon. Wow. Cinnamon leaves. Grasshoppers. And is it flavored? Is it flavored? Did you put spice in it? Wait. I've tried this in Cambodia. Wait. It's okay. Like shrimp. Grasshoppers.
So this is
Holy cow.
So we call this the organized chaos of Kampala because it is very chaotic as you can observe. But of course organized in the way that we have gathered stages of different places. Those signposts you are observing, they are showing you where you go. So usually when you come here, you just have to read those signposts. When you get where you are going, you go. When it is full, it goes. That's how it works.
This is the biggest shopping mall in Kampala.
It is called the Ham Shopping Grounds, and of course it is pretty big. In the middle, they are already constructing a football stadium. It's gonna be cool.
And this one is Owino, second-hand
Biggest
clothes.
in East and Central Africa. The whole part of Owino is 8 acres of land. And of course, it's very popular in selling second-hand clothes, which is coming from Europe. But of course, provided it is the biggest market.
This is fresh groundnut, or was this?
It's mixed.
Yeah, G-nuts.
This is roasted.
Roasted.
That one is roasted a bit.
This one? This is the fresh one. Thank you. Ground nuts. It's peanut butter, actually. What are these?
This is African calabash. So before we were using this to take water, beers.
And now, are they selling this?
Absolutely, for local beers. So
ebyobutonde ebyo zetuyashingire effect ya products zetwakuleetedde zisobola okujjanjaba obulwadde bw'otalowooza nti busobola